Welcome! If you've been getting annoyed by those little numbers or dots stuck to your Messenger app icon just because of stories, you're not alone. Many people find app icon badges distracting, especially when they don't want constant reminders. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple step-by-step process to disable app icon badges specifically for stories on Messenger. Once you do this, you'll still get the notifications you care about, but you won't see that little badge every time someone posts a story. Let's dive right in. First, head over to your phone's settings. This is where you can control how all of your apps behave when it comes to notifications. Next, scroll down and tap on the option labeled Apps. This is the section that lists every app installed on your device. From the list, scroll until you find Messenger and then tap on it. This takes you to the app's settings page where you'll see things like permissions, storage, and most importantly, notifications. Now tap on the Notifications option. This is where you can fine-tune what kind of alerts Messenger is allowed to send you. Once inside, you'll need to select Notification Categories. These categories break down each type of notification that Messenger can show on your device. Find the category labeled Stories and tap on it. This section controls how Messenger notifies you when your friends add something to their stories. Finally, toggle off the setting for app icon badges. By switching this off, Messenger will stop adding a badge to your app icon when there are new stories available. And that's it. You've successfully disabled app icon badges for stories on Messenger. From now on, your Messenger icon will stay clear of unnecessary story notifications, leaving you with a tidier home screen and less distraction. You can still check stories anytime you want, but you won't be nudged by that little badge every time someone shares one. This quick tweak gives you more control over how your notifications show up, so you only see the ones that really matter.